What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a power strip tower that was sent out to me by this company right here. So a big shout out to them for providing this for a review. So this is the power strip tower by that company right there. I'm not going to try and pronounce that and butcher the name. Extension cord, 10 outlet, 4 USB ports, surge protected, extension lead, 9.8 feet cord, wire extension, 250 watt, multi-facet, safety sockets. This has 10 outlets and 4 USB, like I said. So let's look at here. Here's an illustration right here. Same thing that I was saying. It has a 9.8 inch feet cable there. This is 10.6 inches tall, 5.7 inches wide. And here's it has the intelligent charging ports. This cord that's in here is retractable, as you can see. It has universal sockets, LED indicators. It can rotate 360 degrees. And here's a picture right here. So this is 750 degree fire retardant, lightning protection against surges. Like I said earlier, it has independent switches as well. So if you want to pick this up, you can pick this up at Amazon.com. The price is $26.99. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Or if you want to go over and read more about all of the stuff that this offers, you can go ahead and go over there and check this out on Amazon.com's link, because they have a lot of information here. But let's get into the box, check it out. So here's the packaging that it comes in. Vertical multi-socket, multi-protection, anti-thunder technology, overload protector, high conductive copper, fire retardant shell. So this is the container that it comes in, the box. Got a lot of neat features there. You guys may want to pause that, read this stuff yourself. And so let's get into it, man. Enough talking about it, let's be about it. Get this open, and then I'm going to demonstrate it on a lot of different devices here. Kind of a tall box here, so I hope I'm getting all this in frame. I may have to reposition the camera. So here's the device, and we do have some paperwork in here. Let me get this out. So here's the product instructions right there. So you get that in there, and here's the device. Very neat looking, man. Has a 9-foot cord on it, so you can put this, and it's not very tall, man. This thing is very short. So here it is. Let's get a close-up on it. You got your USBs here. I think they're 5-volt 2. I'll put it on the screen right here what these are. You got your individual power buttons here for each bank. And you got 4 more there. So it's a total of 10 outlets and 4 USB. And this does rotate, as you can see here. And this cord does retract in there. So I'm going to get some devices, guys. We're going to plug this in and try it out. Stand by. Okay, guys, before I plug in some devices to it, a couple things I want to point out. You do have an overload breaker right here that you can press if it trips out. And to put your cord back in, you just simply start pushing it back in like so, and it goes back in there. So we're going to get this plugged in, and then I'm going to have some devices we're going to connect to it in just a second. Stand by. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have it plugged in over there in an outlet. I'm going to turn this around, and each bank has its own individual power there, as you can see. As I go around, I can power up each bank. So that's a good thing right there. So let's go ahead and get something plugged in here. So first off, I'm going to plug in my new mobile G3 here. So this is it's going to be type C. Let's get that plugged in. So I'll go ahead, get this plugged in right here. Let's see if it's gonna charge. So as you can see, I got power here. Should light up, charging. So let's get that over to the side next. I got my Samsung camera here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, plug this in and charge this in USB. Let's get another card here. So we're gonna go, this is micro USB. So now what I'm gonna use one of the USB. So I'm gonna turn this bank on. Get that charging. As you can see, it lit up right there. So we're gonna put this one over to the side right there. So next, I got my iPad here. Let's get this open. So let's get this charging as well. Okay, so I'm gonna charge iPad by USB. All right, so let's drop this on the iPad here. And so far we got 3 devices charging. So let's see if we get any power here. Oh yeah, there it is. So next we're gonna do my Amazon Fire tablet here. Now this uses micro USB. So let's get a micro USB cable here. Now I'm going to use this in one of the outlets. I'm going to put this on the second bank right here. Getting a little messy looking here, guys, but just to show you, demonstrate. So there that is. And let's get this plugged in to the Amazon Fire HD 10. See if we get any charging here. There it is. You see it power on. Now you can neatly put all this stuff where you need to put it. And then lastly, let's get my Microsoft Surface Pro right here. Let's drop that on the same bank up here at the top. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put it around to the back here. All right, we're gonna drop that right there. And then get this charging as well. So there that is. And let's see if we got any pop charging going on here. If I can get it turned on. Okay, so we got about 5 devices going here charging. As you can see, the iPad has a green light. It's charging right there, green, charging. I got my new mobile G3 charging. I got my camera, it's charging, red light. Got the I got the Amazon Fire HD 10 charging, as you can see there. And then I got my Microsoft Surface Go. Let me get into it here. It's looking for my face. And it's charging as well. So everything's charging, guys. You can fix this up neatly if you need to, but it's a go. Link, like I said, will be down in the description. You want to turn them off individually like that. There you are. See things light up. All right, guys. Will H Tech Review. I'm out.